Hello guys, welcome to another video. Today, I've got a very special package. This is going to be my new laptop. But I think you can see it. It's the Acer Aspire E15. It's part of that series. And you could have a look around the box. And pretty standard. Okay, so it kind of gives a little specs sheet right here. Hopefully you could see it. I don't know if you could or not. You can't. The sun's too much in the way of it, but let's see if it can focus. There we go. It has an NVIDIA GeForce 940M, and this specific model has 4 gigabytes of DDR3 memory for the graphics card. It has 8 gigabytes of DDR3, 1 terabyte hard drive, and it's 15.6 inches. It has a HD camera. It's only 720p. Would not recommend it. Yeah, and it has AC Wi-Fi. You could see over here that it is a E5-573G-75B3. And it's in charcoal gray. So I didn't see, I think this is blocking the CPU, but the CPU is an i7 5500U. It's one of the newer models of processors, especially on a laptop. So we will be unboxing this today. Okay, so okay, and this goes up. This is how it opens up to. Just move the camera to here so you could have a better look of things. But oh dear, there it goes. Here it is. Let me put it this way so it's better. So first thing you see is the manual, and you can see the laptop over here that's covered. So let's get started with this. I think this is the power adapter. Comes in that kind of box, and here is the power brick, and here it's the other connector to the outlet itself. So next we have a laptop right here, and after that is some warranty and legalization stuff, and don't know what that is, but okay, so that's all there. Now let's get started with the accessories. Okay, accessories, we have the power brick. Let's see the little Acer thing, and over here, oh dear, let it focus in. There it is, 100 to 240 volts. So it's compatible in the US and internationally. This thing is what connects the power brick into the outlet. So we have that as accessories, and we get this. This is the manual. It has both Spanish, I think that's Spanish, and English. So number 1, it tells you how to plug in stuff for new users and stuff, but it's pretty cool. And now what we've been all waiting for, especially me, because it's my laptop, is, ta-da! Look at that. I don't know if you could see that clearly. Okay, so, you could see that it has these lines which are like no fingerprints, nothing will be here. It has a cool little logo here, and it's a really cool, really nice texture. Really cool. Back, this is how it looks. Pretty decent. Now here's the back. So that's, I think, the GPU or CPU, it's something, but there's the fan. I don't know if you could see it. There's a fan for it. And here's the RAM, which is there. So the RAM is only one slot, and the RAM inside this has 8 gigabytes, and it could be upgraded to 16. So that's really good. Pretty big heatsink here. Let's take a look at the sides. Right here we have a USB 2.0. I'm predicting. I don't think it's 3.0, but yeah, we have a USB 2.0, a DVD drive. Yeah, that's very uncommon these days to have a DVD drive. So, and here is the power. Why is my phone not focusing? Okay, come on, there we go. There's the power. Here's the DVD drive. Yeah. Now we move to the front, which is pretty normal. And now over here on the left hand side we have a audio. This is, yeah, that's for headphones, USB 3, HDMI, Ethernet, and VGA. So, and we have the heatsink here. So not bad. It's not too shabby. And then again, this computer costs $700, $699.98. So let's open this amazing, awesome new thing up. Okay, what do we have here? So right now you could see that this foam is covering. It's protective foam for the screen. So okay, let's look at the screen. I currently am shining a flashlight at it, and this is my phone thing. This one is my phone flashlight, and this is another flashlight. You could see that it's anti-glare, which is awesome. This is awesome. It's full 1080p, which is awesome. And up here we have the webcam right there, and you could see that inside it has a really nice textured charcoal gray. There's that side. Okay, let's go to, okay, it has that. The keyboard, there it is. Keyboard, it looks nice. Keyboard looks nice, very organized. Nothing too complicated. We have the i7 Core i7 sticker here, and the 940M sticker there, and we have the mouse pad, and we have these thingies, the stickers, which tell you some kind of specs on this actual system. So you could see that it's an i7 5500U, 2.0 gigahertz with turbo boost up to 3 gigahertz. 3 gigahertz, that's awesome. And it has the NVIDIA GeForce 940M with 4 gigabytes of dedicated VRAM. 8 gigabytes and 1 terabyte hard drive. The one thing that I didn't like about this computer, well, there's two things. Number one, the graphics card, it's only GDDR3. If it was 1 gigabyte of GDDR5, I would be more than happy. But it is not, but instead it has 4 gigabytes of GDDR3 memory. And also the second thing is that the hard drive, it's only 5400 RPM. Like, who uses that anymore? That's slow. So I might be upgrading the hard drive, but that's two things that I don't like. So let's look at the keyboard. Okay, so the keyboard, it's pretty smooth. I'm pressing really hard on it, so that's, I think, the loudest it could get. But normal typing, it's this. It's not much audio there. One thing I don't like, these for arrow keys, these are terrible. You need the full size one, but it's okay. It's okay. I'm okay with that. It has the full number pad. That's good. It has that. This is not a whole enter button, which is awesome. This is just enter and that thing. We have function button to do the functions on top. This is not backlit, so yeah. We have that, and down here in the front we have the mouse, which seems okay. I haven't really tested it out, but it states that it's very precise, so hopefully it is. Now we have this texture in the front. When you really go in depth, you could see that it's tiny squares, tiny little squares, but kind of feels good, especially when you're on the keyboard or something. It feels good. It feels good in my arm. So it's not very bad, but it's good. For the price point, this is an amazing budget computer. I am in love with this, so hopefully it meets my standards. So the power button's here, which is kind of unusual for me, and it's one of these buttons, so that it is weird for me. Okay, so I plugged it in, so now the moment of truth. Ooh, there it is. And my phone had to go. Nope. Okay, good. That's gone. Okay. So I think this is Windows 8. I will need to get the free upgrade to Windows 10. That'd be awesome. But most likely it's Windows 8. But I don't care, because I can easily upgrade. And yeah. Boot up time, pretty slow. Ooh. Okay guys, so that concludes part 1 of the Acer Aspire E15 review, especially for this certain model. Part 2 will be coming out next week, so stay tuned in, and I'll see you guys later. Bye.